Yes, I agree. The machine is definitely intimidating. The shipping did take a while. Initially, like I said, I was going to go with the X-Tool machine. The OneLaser is definitely far more superior than other lasers on the market. I am Holly Whiteside. By trade, I'm a registered nurse. On the weekends and in my spare time, I like to spend time with my 5-year-old daughter. I like to do crafting. Why I got into crafting is it gives me a creative outlet. It's a time where I can be creative, not be bothered by people, kids, husband, employer. It's my time to do something I enjoy. The process of getting started, I felt like was really easy. And we basically just took it out of the box and it was ready to use. I personally was going to buy an X-Tool machine, and just the precision, the speed of the laser, the quality of the images was just far more superior with the OneLaser. Yes, I agree, the machine is definitely intimidating, but I feel like if I can do it, you can do it. Just watch all the YouTube videos that you can get your hands on. Take time to figure out the software. Join the OneLaser Facebook group. There's lots of helpful support on there. If you have questions, put it on there. You'll get help from everyone on there. The shipping did take a while, but once the machine did arrive, I got quite a few notifications from the freight company giving me dates and times that they were available to deliver the machine. So I felt pretty informed knowing when the machine was going to arrive. I feel like OneLaser has definitely reduced my time with making projects because it is so fast. I can get a large amount of things done at one time. It's definitely opened up a lot of different doors for me. For anyone considering buying a OneLaser, I would say do it. But of course, make an informed decision, compare it to other lasers out there, watch all the YouTube videos, and you'll see that the OneLaser is definitely far more superior than other lasers on the market.